Hi everybody and welcome back to my vlog. In today's video, we are going to make a reaction to Dima Sinapati. And the title of the song is When I Look Into Your Eyes. I don't feel so motivated and I don't know why I'm so down again. So I want to go back and hear this kind of song which is When I Look Into Your Eyes. So without further ado, let's make a reaction now. Sana I could feel much better after this, okay? Without further ado, let's make a reaction now to Dima Sinampati when I look into your eyes.
I see forever when I look in your eyes. You're all I ever wanted, I always wanted to be mine. Let's make a promise till the end of time. We'll always be together and our love will never die. So here we are face to face and heart to heart. I want you to know we will never be apart. Now I believe that wishes can come true, 'cause I see my whole world, I see only you. When I look into your eyes, I can see how much I love you, and it makes me realize. When I look into your eyes, I see all my dreams come true. When I look into your eyes, I've looked for you all of my life. Now that I found you, we will never say goodbye. Can't stop this feeling, there's nothing I can do, 'cause I see everything when I look at you. When I look into your eyes, I can see how much I love you, and it makes me realize. When I look into your eyes, I see all my dreams come true. When I look into your eyes. Oh, when I look into your eyes, I can see how much I love you, and it make me realize. When I look into your eyes, we will always be together, and our love will never die. When I look into your eyes, I see all my dreams come true. When I look into your eyes. When I look into your eyes.
Grabe. Natouch ako. Nakakatuwa. That's Dima Senopati song cover and the title is When I Look Into Your Eyes acoustic cover by The Firehouse. Actually, I'm really not familiar with the firehouse, but because of Dima's Senopati, now I fully understand what is the firehouse means and what is the music behind the firehouse. Oh, diba? I uploaded this one since 2 years ago and it has 9.6 M views, almost 10 million views. And for me, this is one of my most favorite song cover of Dimas. And no question asked why it has million views and why it's still trending up to now. And I never get tired of hearing this one. Every time I feel down, maybe I will always going to play this song and I will feel better after. I really love this one. This is the most romantic version of Dimas, much better than the original artist. It sounds magical. It's so romantic. I feel so relaxed and so calm. When I heard this one, I cried because I was thinking about my son and those baby moments with him from the time that he was born, from the time that I saw his eyes stare at me, the first step, the moments together in the elementary days until that he graduated from high school. Nag-flashback lahat ng memories. I never thought that all my dreams came true when I look into his eyes. It's like with Dimas, grabe, his vocal range is so unbelievable. It's so long, so powerful, and he got really a high pitched voice, but for me, it's still soothing in the ear. Even up to now, I can still hear the voice of Dimas singing that song and never get tired of listening to this song cover. Very powerful and I really love all kinds of music. Depends on my mood. Very lucky because this is my content and at the same time it heals my heart and my soul. So there you have it. I told you this is one of my most favorite of song cover by Dimas, and I really love it. I never get tired of hearing this song. So I feel so in love. I thank you so much. I hope you like my reaction. And please do comment down below if you want me to make a reaction to your favorite song cover by your favorite artist. So thank you so much. When I look into your eyes, I feel so at peace and I'm so happy and I feel so relieved. Much love from Philippines. This is NX. See you again tomorrow for another reaction. Bye.